Hey everyone, and welcome to the Sketchup Architect course for modeling kitchens. In this course, we're going to use the model that we created in our 2D to 3D lesson to create our kitchen. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to look at the area that we are working with by using the section tool. And as you can see, that's the section tool right there. And go ahead and just select the section tool and move it down just enough to cut into the ceiling where the first floor is, and you just toggle that on and off to remove your section, and there we can see the space that we are working with that we will create our kitchen in. Now if you're doing this, and hopefully you'll be doing more kitchens after you watch this, there's you obviously will have to create your own kitchen. So you will start with a new SketchUp file, and basically based on the measurements that you take, you'll lay out the dimensions of your kitchen. So whatever it is, 12 feet by, let's say, 16 feet, you would just go ahead and lay out the dimensions of your kitchen. I'm just going to go ahead and use the rectangle tool to square this off, and then offset the wall, let's say 4 inches, and just go ahead and use the push-pull tool to create your walls. And most depending on the building or area, let's say it's 8 foot, 9 feet. And what you're going to want to do now is also record any doors or windows that are in your model. So you're going to want to, anything that's relative to the space you're working with, you're going to want to show that on your model as far as the walls are concerned. So basically at this point, we're just setting up the area that we are working with. So again, for this lesson, we will be working with the 2D to 3D file that we started with in the 2D to 3D course, and that file is available as a resource for this course. So if you can, go ahead and just open up that file and start measuring the walls, the wall space that we have. So, and I'm just showing you the measurements here. We have 8 feet by 15.9, and this dimension here, and I'm using the dimension tool to do this, and that's 14.6. So that is mainly the space that we're going to work with for our kitchen. And we also want to take in consideration this little hallway space here. Just, we want to keep that clear, so we don't want our kitchen or island to obstruct that walking space. So we want to create a good design, and in order to create a good design, you have to know about the surroundings, about how your kitchen is situated relative to the space around it. So I'm excited about this course. Let's go ahead and move into building some base cabinets.